morning, students. Last class continuation, page number 29. Just I am going to finish the lesson. Here, true height. Here, Michael Stone. Here is he influenced his mother stories and his father. His father always said only one thing: Michael, if you want anything, you have to work for it. That is practice. Rigorous practice is very essential for getting anything in our lives. So here is a mild mother. So his mother told when he was in childhood many stories about flying especially. So in this way here Michael he developed the type of imagination. So children, we showed that here how his imagination could be real. So last year his take off means here rise, a leap. Page number 29, first paragraph. His takeoff was effortless. Michael Stone was flying, here jumping, just as in his childhood days dreams. In his childhood days, so he was dreaming about his flying because of his mother influenced stories. His mother told that type of stories. He was dreaming all, but it was real now. Only this time he knew he wasn't dreaming. So he understood that it was not dreaming, it wasn't real. He knew that this was real. It was real. Everything seemed to be moving in a slow motion. It isn't, everything is slow motion. The air around him, here is there. Circum, air was there. Purest and freshest. It was completely fresh and pure. He had never sensed, he had never felt this kind of fresh and cool air. ఎప్పుడు కూడా తను అట్లా ఫీల్ అవ్వలేదు. అంతటి freshest and purest air than feel అయ్యాడు first time. He had ever sensed. Michael was soaring, means children, I told you, soaring means he are flying with the majesty of eagle. Majesty of eagle. Eagle means he has no big bird here. Dagger. Here is flying straight. Flying straight. It didn't tremble, shake. It maintained dignity throughout that is here going on, flying. చక్కగా డాగ చూసారా ఎక్కడన్నా స్కై ఒకసారి మనం చూస్తే డాగ స్ట్రైట్ గా వెళ్తుంది, నిటారుగా వెళ్తుంది, ఎక్కడ కూడా బెండ్ అవ్వదు. నో ఫియర్, నాట్ ఎట్ ఆల్. స్ట్రైట్ ఈస్ దేర్ మూవింగ్. నో దట్ ఈస్ షేకింగ్. హియర్ ఈస్ మైకేల్. He was flying like an eagle. Next paragraph, children. It was either eruption. Eruption means outburst. Just ఒకసారి burst అవడం. Of the people in the stands of thump of his landing that brought Michael back to the earth. So when he was landing, when he took that is jump and landing on the land, ఒక్కసారి పైకి ఎగిరినవాడు అలా ల్యాండ్ మీద జంప్ అవగానే దట్స్ మేక్ ఎ third noise. దప్ అనేటువంటి ఒక శబ్దం వినిపించింది. Michael back to earth on his back with that wonderful horse on his face. Now children, here is horse and this is that is he was jumping like this. Now children, look at this picture. He was jumping. It was horse and just like he was curving. Here is a pole bending and just here is landing on the that is a track. So it was a horse and he knew that is he could only envision means have a vision, have a sight that is in his mind. The smile on his mother's face. Because why he could imagine తన ఎందుకంటే తన మనసులో అట్లా అనుకున్నాడంటే because he fulfilled this kind of desire because of his mother's stories, inspiration. తన మదర్ చాలా హ్యాపీ ఫీల్ అవుతుంది. He could envision his mother's smile. ఒకసారి మదరు తను చేసిన ఫీట్కి వాళ్ళ మదర్ చాలా హ్యాపీ ఫీల్ అవుతుంది. He could see like his envision, that is have a vision somebody. తనకు ఏదో కనిపించింది ఒకసారి ఆ పైకి అలా ఎగిరినప్పుడు విజన్ కనిపించింది. So that is the vision that is appearing, the vision is a mother's smiling. What is the symbolical mother's smiling? Because son, you are winner. Son, you are achieving my dream. You are fulfilling my dream. because I told many stories about flying to you when you are in childhood. So you are fulfilling my desires, what I expected. So he knew his dad was probably smiling too, but his dad was always very strict and very angry mode, very serious manner. But at that time, his dad was also smiling, that is laughing. But here is, as you know, Beth means the father, Milder means here mother. Beth means father would always do that when he got excited, smile and then sort of giggle. Giggle means ఒక్కసారి చెక్కిలి గిల్లుకొచ్చారు అనమాట. Slight here is laugh, ఒక్కసారి అట్లా నవ్వడం అనమాట. Short temper లో. When what he didn't know was that his dad was hugging with his wife. That is, here at that time his parents are there. Just his dad hug his mother. That is his wife in a fearful manner. That is in a laughing manner. ఒక్కసారి తన భార్యని అట్లా హత్తుకుని ఒక్కసారి sorrow and laughing both expressions are emerged from his eyes. బాధ దుఃఖం రెండు ఒకేసారి కళలో అలా వాళ్ళ ఫాదర్కి వచ్చేసింది. At the time he was laughing, at the time he fulfilled, because his son fulfilled hardest work. His dad was hugging his wife and crying. ఒక్కసారి ఏడుస్తున్నారు. His father was crying. But here, even though he worked a lot of hard work, after a number of days, lot of practice, rigorous practice, so I think his son is going to be achieved in a few seconds. He was he was crying harder, the milder. Here is milder means mother. Or mother than ఎక్కువగా ఫీల్ అయ్యాడు, ఫాదర్ ఎక్కువ ఫీల్ అయ్యాడు. Had ever seen before. ఇప్పుడు అట్లా ఫీల్ అవడం చూడలేదు. ఫస్ట్ టైం here is Beth was that is he felt than his wife because of this. She also knew he was crying. He means here is her husband. తనకు తెలుసు తన హస్బెండ్ బాగా బాధపడుతున్నాడు, ఏడుస్తున్నాడు, ఫుల్ఫిల్ అవుతుందో లేదు. The greatest tears of all, tears of pride. Here is tears of pride. గర్వంతో కన్నీరు. At the same time crying, laughing, because his son achieved a great that is junior Olympics. Here is he won, that is National Junior Olympics. His son, a great record. Michael, next paragraph children. Michael was immediately swarmed. Swarmed means surrounded. Swarmed means here is surrounded. Almost all audience that is came to that is and around and surrounded him. And surrounded him. Number of that is audience surrounded him and congratulating because of his achievement. Why people audience that is gathered around Michael? He was that is he won the National Junior Olympics medal. That is at the same time people audience that is they came that is and surrounded him and greeted, congratulations Michael, you are the winner, you are the winner. Congratulate him and the greatest accomplishment is fulfill of the work. Here is fulfilled his life. Tana life lo edaithe anukunnado success ayyadu. He later went that day to clear 17 feet 9 and 6 and a half inches. 17 feet. Here is 17 feet 6 and a half inches. Here is the record, world record. 17 feet 6 and a half inches. A national, international here. National and international junior Olympic record. He break that type of record. How much here is 17 feet and 6 and a half inches. It's not a joke. Last paragraph children. With all the media attention and heartfelt congratulations, heartfully here is there. Michael's life would never be the same. It should be. So children, one thing, you do work hard, you only change your life. Not only your life, your parents' life also. So here, one can dream. We have a dream, but we have to achieve it through hard work only. Through hard work only. Here children, Michael had a dream. So his mother told many stories about flying. It was all dreams. But those things are realistic, that is fulfilled because of his hard work. Heartfelt congratulations. Michael now life would never be the same. It wasn't just because he won the National Junior Olympics and set a new world record. He prepared a whole new world record no one could beat. It wasn't because he had just increased his personal best by 9.5 inches. Here is the personal best. It is increased up to here 17 feet 6.5 inches. It was simply because Michael Stone was blind. You know one thing? This is the suspense of the story. We thought that he had eyes. He had almost all, that is, he had seen everything. But children, one thing, here Michael Stone was a blind. So how he could achieve? With the help of his mother and father's strength. Here, only one thing. Children, we understood it. Only one thing. His mother told almost all stories. Here, inspirational stories. His inspirational stories when he was childhood days. So simply only one thing. So he implemented. He followed what his mother desires. So his father, a disciplined man. Here is discipline, dedication, determination. These three things are implemented strictly in Michael Stone's life. So he succeeded. Not only Michael Stone's life, children, you should take 3 Ds of life. The principle of 3 Ds. You know, first one is here is determination, discipline, dedication. These 3 Ds of life. So when you are in discipline, you can do anything. When you are determined what you achieve. So you should achieve definitely. Then dedication about your work. Regarding your work, you should dedicate what you have to do. So whatever it may be. Finally here Michael Stone succeeded his life because of these 3 things. So it is these 3 things told by his father. Told by his father only. His father was very serious. Michael, if you want anything, you could do. You do hard work. You worked. So here Michael did not think what his father not dual. He took very serious manner. At the same time, his mother told Michael you could relax and you should take some rest. Here is very interesting thing, children. So this is the story of Michael Stone. It is a true life. True height means great height is a great achievement. So in one's life, in anyone's life, not only you or not only me or not only them or not only Michael, anyone can achieve once that is a goal through hard work, continuous hard work and determination, dedication and discipline. So you should keep these things, children. Definitely one day or not there, but don't lose faith. If we have faced to there is some problems or some that is obstacles in our life, but we should know how to overcome. We should know how to overcome. Then we should follow that is successful stories in our life. Then we have to implement those principles in our lives. Definitely we will. That is see a great future, a good future about our lives. Okay, children. Now finished the lesson in page number 30. So you should go through vocabulary, that is glossary, meanings of your textbook. Just you should read and learn, because so when you go to comprehension passages, I think some words are very difficult words, but you don't know the meaning. So you should read and learn those meanings at your home. So by next class I shall explain. Here is a poem. What is a play? Next class, children. Okay, it is completion of the lesson. Already completed explanation. So you should go through once the lesson from first paragraph to last paragraph up to the completion of the lesson once or twice. You should try to understand what I explained. Then it is very essential for completion of comprehension and completion of writing comprehension or writing diary work or writing. Here is dialogue writing. Okay, children. Okay, thank you.